Sorry again, with your permission,
yes.
forgive the ano. Pero in relation to the earlier dialogue about hold departure order, yung kung hindi filean ng DFA ng kaso yon, is that the proper subject of any kind of the three kasi nasabi niya na yun, nahuli nila yung 10 na may fake passport. Pero pwedeng i-deport yun dahil walang ano. Hindi ba pasok yun dun sa 3 kategorya ng hold departure, whether hold departure or what's that other one, that pending PI, tapos yung lookout bulletin, hindi ba siya pasok dun sa in any one of those 3 categories? Kasi clearly parang ano yan prima facie violation talaga, malakas where the evidence is strong Hindi ba natin masama dun?
Sorry,
Kasi kung dineport natin, delusot na siya, di ba? Di siya nakatulong dun sa paghuli ng sindikato or scheme, di ba?
considering the documents that were caught with them as being fake documents, we should be able to hold them here and not immediately deport them.
Okay.
I think that we should charge them first
So,
with falsification.
dapat, si Commissioner will refer to the DOJ. Di ba? What was the action taken, Commissioner, dun sa may fake passport? Dineport nyo na lang? Or
We charge them for violation of C613. But once charged, we place him under the watch list and so he cannot leave the country. But
so yung 10 yun, asa na ho yung 10 yung nahanapan nyo ng fake
it's
passport?
in our custody, Your Honor.
The 10 are in your custody?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And they are all facing charges? Oh?
Yes, Your Honor. And we submitted a report to the DFA, but the response is they're still conducting.
Could you give the committee a list of the 10 and the charges they are facing, Commissioner, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Mr.
you.
Chair.
Yes. Go ahead. Pasensya na, Sen. Coco.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yung 10, masabi ba natin na fake passport yun o authentic passport, legally obtained or whatever? Kung ikumpara mo sa totoong passport na isang totoong Pilipino, ano ba ito? Fake?
Mukhang authentic pero fake. Hindi sila entitled to hold the passport. But they are holding what appears to be a legal or a legitimate Filipino passport. Tama ba? Ang
Yeah.
pagkaintindi natin.
We call them as fraudulently acquired Philippine passport.
Pero
galing.
Oo.
Yeah, Mr. Chair. Galing
Kumbaga,
talaga sa DOJ.
Kasi you went past the document to look into the factual determination of the document, di ba? Pero pag tinignan niyo yung document on its face, legal siya, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi niyo, Commissioner, no?
Yes, Your Honor. And the passport goes through our anti-fraud laboratory, and it is confirmed as authentic. Then we submit it to the
So yung 10 yun, pumasa doon sa laboratory ninyo, Commissioner?
There is one, I think 1 or 2 that actually fake Philippine passport.
Pero yung 8, pasado doon sa lahat ng safeguard, etc.
Yes, Your Honor, and
Okay.
it's confirmed by DFA.
I think this is something we need to take up with DFA. Can you give us the list,
Yes, Your
Commissioner?
Honor.
Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, pardon the interruptions.
We are
Minority Leader.
very interested in
I hope you've not lost your train of thought.
No, we
Pasensya
are
na po.
very, we are very interested, Mr. Chairman, kasi sayang information should have been with us when we were deliberating
We will
on
transmit
that
it
new
to
passport act. Yeah.